Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh to Surface for SolidWorks. When you make a lot of complex shapes like this one on the screen, you end up having a lot of the main mesh, which is your reference, and then you may create a lot of cross sections here. The problem now is that if you send this file to your other customer, or you want to open it on a PC where Mesh to Surface is not installed, these entities will not be understood by this other installation, so you don't really need them anymore. For this reason, we have one cleanup button, which is on the main toolbar of Mesh to Surface, and then you press it. What it will do, it will ask you if you are sure to do this action, that it will clear everything that is available in this project. If you press yes, all the primitives that have been created by Mesh to Surface, including the imported mesh, will be deleted. In this way, you end up just with a normal SolidWorks file that you can save it on the disk. I recommend highly to save as, so you keep your original work. Then you can send it to the customer that can open this file easily. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.